Like a tiny flame frozen in stone, Carnelian's spectrum of sizzling colors licks the edges of its glassy confines. But don't worry, this fire is cool to the touch and fueled by the magic of geology. Carnelian is a semi-precious gemstone and member of the large chalcedony family. Its wildly captivating colors come from iron oxide and are extremely susceptible to heat. The shades can shift just from sitting in the sun. Even though its color saturation is a tad fragile, the stone itself is far from it. With a hardness rating of 6.5 to 7, Carnelian is an ideal choice for sturdy jewelry designs. But where do these stone fires come from? Carnelian is mined most abundantly in Brazil, India, Siberia, and Germany. But cultures all over the world have contributed to its storied past. Carnelian has been found in artifacts of personal ornamentation as far back as the Bronze Age, circa 1800 BC, where small carved stones were found on the island of Crete. In ancient Rome, the lamp-like glow of carnelian was attributed to courage and believed to enhance both mental and physical power. Hoping to harness its warrior spirit as they fought on the battlefield, Roman soldiers wore carnelian talismans carved with images of legendary heroes. In contrast, the ancient Egyptians dubbed carnelian the setting sun and placed it in tombs. They believed that the translucent red-orange hues represented a spiritual transition that would guide souls on their journey into the afterlife. Orange carnelian was linked to the powerful feminine energy of the goddess Isis, and redder stones were considered masculine and worn by chief architects as status symbols. In the Middle Ages, particularly red-colored specimens symbolized the blood of the martyrs and were valued for medicinal qualities. Because of this, the people of this age wore carnelian jewelry to repel sickness and the plague. Medieval alchemists boiled carnelian with other chalcedony stones, believing its bright autumnal energy provided a catalyst for their latent powers. Today, many believe carnelian offers numerous benefits, including enhanced courage, creativity, endurance, leadership, and motivation. Like an alchemist's boiling pot, working with or wearing carnelian may open your energy to reinvigoration. In Western practices of the 7 chakra system, carnelian connects to the sacral chakra, which stores creative and passionate energies. This energy point is orange, just like carnelian, boosts vitality, and can be a magnet for prosperity and good luck. May the captivating crystalline embers and old world beauty of carnelian embolden you on the next step of your creative journey.